So now then, I'm down here this morning, come to level this bit of stone out that we tipped up yesterday. So I brought the 4CX down, I'll level it out with the front bucket. We'll just turn the camera around and so here she is. So with it being on a slope, it's come out of the trailer and it's tipped it further to that side. So I'm going to have to start by pulling it back this way a little bit. Then pull it back from that lower side edge to the top side so it doesn't end up where we don't want it. So I'll put you on the tripod and see how we go. So we've pushed that little bit out, it's out there now, so I say I've made it so I've got a level edge to work off the bit in order levelled out. come back here, look. And then, so now we've got a nice level playing field to work off, so it'll make it easier now. So put you back on the old helmet, so don't have to keep getting out and moving the camera. I'm just looking through the front wheel now. Work the back of the bucket to roughly how high I want it to be, that side, so it cuts it off. So I just feel it, take the weight on the front of the bucket. It just takes the weight of the front wheels a little bit, and just drop the back edge with the 4-in-1 down so it touches where I've just levelled. Push it off, and as I feel it going low, I just ease it up a bit. Same again, just pull that bit back, hopefully fill that little hole in there. So you have to do it in little bits, because if you take too much it just spews it out the side to where you don't want it. Same again, we'll go back again onto a level bit. Feel it pushing on the front blade. Just drop the back one down just so you can see it just fluffing the pebbles on the top. Just ease it up a little bit now. So you don't have to try and push it all off in one level at the same time, better off leaving it a bit high. So you can go back for another go at it, so you're not having to put stone back on the low bit. Starting to warm up now. Back cutting edge down again. It's quite a big pile there now, so pull some of that back, we'll end up with it all over. Now then, just about to shoved out. The battery's gone flat, so missed a load of videoing. What I say, not too bad. So I'll just try and show you what I'm doing with the front bucket. So just taking a little bit of a ump off just here. So I'm get most of the weight on the front edge of the bucket to push that off. Then the back one, see just in there, it's just taking just a little bit off at the back. And nothing this side. So then to say you've got all the weight on the front edge there, and I just crowd the bucket each way, either to cut it down more or lift it up, just to take less off. So there we go. Catch you next time.